Hello, I'm Stepper944, and it is a very, 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 very hot day, and a very, very windy day. Look at what happens. Yep, this is what happens to my backyard. Not good enough. I'm now, and my house is for sale, and we still haven't. No one had to buy a house yet. I don't get it. I clean my room. I do everything. Maybe the guests don't like me. I don't understand how the other people bought the other house. Anyway, we moved to this place, and I'm not going to tell you. It's a town, and I'm not going to tell you where I live on a town. Yeah, my place is called the town. Uh-oh, look at all these trees. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, it's an earthquake. Oh, crap. Anyway, let's go over here, see if there's something horror. There's nothing horror. I heard something in the kitchen. Let's go. That's weird. Usually someone's in the kitchen. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, yuck. I just stepped on a snail. Yuck. Did you hear that crack? Replay that crack. Jeez. I should probably put that in slave fried. Whoa, it's disgusting. Okay, that was probably it. I'll make another video. See ya, people. Bye-bye.